it's almost Christmas by the marks we make on the wall. That's our favorite time of year. Merry Christmas from Chiron Beta Prime, where we're working in a mine for our robot overlords. Did I say overlords? I meant protectors. Merry Christmas from Chiron Beta
His neck dogged caught in a huge rusty iron collar.
Red light run. Badly.
Before us were caught either. Boys must put on their father's pants in private, strut them in front of the mirror,
No,
and then
stop.
sneak them
Screw
back on
Baru.
hangers. So far to the water, but privately he didn't think the arrow could have traveled more than 60 yards from the rotted bow.
Oh,
and
exit
lucky to
dive.
get that,
Vermont.
it grew louder.
Well, this is the quickest way to get back there, so good. Good. Get out.
Games of today that are finished, there's some stuff definitely to talk about.
Red light
Okay,
run.
let's start with the Browns, who now were third down and completed all of them. Kept it alive.
No
Scored
stop.
with 18 seconds left and went on.
Least harshly laid at the feet of the misinformation that the right
Exit dive.
sold to itself. COVID result.
And it signaled to the rest of the auto industry that it's no longer playing it safe. And Okuda's new aggressive Toyota is just warming up.
Why are we?
The
Why
company's
are
racing
you
to
stopping?
factories all over the world. Its
Seriously?
ultimate goal:
The stone pier on the left extended out perhaps 20 yards. It jutted further than the one on the right, but this was also left behind, and
You're
then
gone.
they were alone over the gulf. At first it seemed that the tiny prick of daylight remained mockingly constant, perhaps even drawing away from them at the exact pace they approached it. That would be a fine bit of magic indeed. But gradually the gunslinger realized
Go now.
that
You
it
can
was
go
right,
now. You can
becoming
go now.
mortified.
You can go. You can
They were
go
still
now.
below it, but the tracks were rising to meet him. The
Seriously.
boy gave a surprised
What are you
grunt and
waiting
suddenly
for?
lurched to the
You can go now. Yay, he figured out how a gas pedal works. No stop. Toyo turd.
Toyota's selling the Prius as a mobile fashion statement. A
No
way to
stop.
let everyone know you've joined the war against climate.
An electric hybrid Civic.
Where does the cord go?
You never had to plug it in.
Exit
How did
dive.
you get this into the gym?
The gasoline electric.
They were trained as resistance fighters. They were taught how to sabotage bridges, how to blow up or twist up railroad lines, to prevent enemy communication and or to transmit those messages to the Allies. They learned how to shoot and to kill Nazis. Certainly much more intense a rebellion.
Yeah, you're just sitting there, dude. You're inputting some shit on your GPS. Now you're about to have cars behind you, and they're going to honk at you, probably. Ah, there you go. You figured it out. Just as it's turning yellow. Yeah, good job. Adventure's proud of you.
Understanding of how the
Red light run.
Finance ministers and so forth is to build trust between people. It's not bad. And again, to take another example, you think about, I don't know, the laws of football or basketball.
Exit dive.
They're also physics or biology. They're not written in our DNA. They're not coming from heaven. People invented these rules.
I think there was another one up there.
Arbitrary and fictional rules that exist only
And
in
yet
our
another
imagination. And there is nothing bad about it. This is
Really? Exit dive.
Email the generic hiapod@gmail.com. Don't pop up on WhatsApp, please. Tell us.
That was red light run.
Moments. Tell us your
next hiking season starts like going back in like June. So I'm like, well, what's something I can do
Nope.
in between them?
he's a guy, clearly he's a good guy.
No, stop.
He's a competitor. Ryan, and I think he's on the wrong side of the wall. He's had a good career. He's had a very good career, and he should have won a Super Bowl. Because that game should never have been lost. It was the worst coaching in a big game with a big lead that's ever been done in the history of sports.
Come on, hurry up.
That's a very interesting.
You should have fastened your seatbelt before he pulled out.
Although he is arguably more talented.
Yeah, don't look at me weird.
Concerned that Josh Allen's career could mirror that of Cam Newton. No, listen, Josh.
Make this a night to remember. Right turn lane regret. Tonight. You gotta make it a night to remember.
Again, it's kind of like the Giardiasis argument. I agree with people up to a certain
No, stop.
point. So there
And I
are
was
certain
coming too.
organizations.
You wanna lay down with me? Say it, baby, you wanna lay down by my side? Say, baby, you wanna lay down with me? Say it, baby. Say it, baby. That's a red light run, baby.
No. Actually,
Let's see how kids you really are, Katniss.
Hello. Toyota.
That's Hunger Games right there. Okay, so
Instead, he misses the field goal. The Giants get the backdoor cover on.
Really? But I'm streeing, but I'm streeing, but I'm dumb streeing. Red light run up there. You could have gone. You can go now. You can go now. You can go now. Really?
You know, that's the genre that I like. I like watching movies from the 1960s,
Come on.
and 70s, and
Let's
I just
go.
like looking at the cars.
No, stop. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh shit, shit. Don't run into the street, no! Yeah, there was a shitload of deers. Oh shit, really? Stay on your side!
Got this car, drive around and show it off.
By 2006,
Toyota's
sold 1.5 million.
And I don't think he stopped either.
6 times as many as Honda. Moved from being Toyota's president to its chairman in 1999, but his successors continued his all-out
turn
push
signal
to
would help.
conquer the auto industry. Now, Toyota's opening.
Said and done, you think about this day, and then you realize I was the one. You didn't stop, and you kinda didn't either.
Deck the halls with bells of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Oh, fuck me. Why does truck have to pull out in front of me? Slow me down, slow me down, slow me down. Now it's gonna take forever to get home because fuck me, I'm down to 20. Well, happy Christmas, everybody, and hope you enjoy your new year and whatever other holidays you happen to celebrate. Okay, bye.